Taking Aliyah's hand, her father led her to a dusty old chest tucked away in the corner of the room, a treasure trove that held secrets from generations past waiting to be discovered. With careful hands, Aliyah lifted a delicate necklace adorned with intricate beads and symbols, a tangible link to her heritage that sparked a curiosity to learn more about her family's history and traditions. Her father's eyes twinkled with pride as he shared the story behind the necklace, each bead representing a chapter in their family's journey, a legacy of resilience, strength, and unity that now resided in Aliyah's hands. As the night descended upon them, Aliyah felt a deep sense of connection to her roots, a newfound appreciation for the treasures that bound her to a rich tapestry of culture and identity that she vowed to carry forward with pride.